Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. I think you know this thing very well that I have started a new YouTube channel, and my main purpose is to start this channel is just to help automation test engineers or manual testers who actually want to switch their career from manual to automation, and all the automation test engineer who is actually planning for to attend the interview in other organization or the company. So it is like an initiative, and I hope that you will get the advantage of this. So every day we'll try to discuss about few problem statements or programming statements. We'll try to find out the solution of those problems, okay, in our training session. So it will really help you, and we have a purpose, right? We have a motive to solve the problem. There are many ways to do that, but we'll try to discuss a common way to find the solution of the problem. So today is day one. So I would like to discuss about the common problem statement. In this I have the example of arrays. How can we find out common elements from two arrays, right? So what will be our approach? It is a common statement, we can say that, but we have to implement, to find the time complexity in worst cases. We will create a method and we'll try to find out that what will be the time complexity in worst scenario. Basically we'll create a method. In this method we'll try to pass two parameters, so obviously the time complexity will be of two arrays, input of two arrays, and it will be like big O of n into m or p into n. Any other specification you can give, but we will discuss about the worst situation. So without further delay, I'll just try to navigate to my Eclipse window, and we'll try to complete this problem statement to get the correct solution. All right. So I have to open the Eclipse, and already I have created a project 2025 in Java, and we'll try to create a new class in it. I'm giving the name of a class as Day-1. I'll try to add the main method here, and as you can see, the problem statement is already mentioned here. Find the common element in two arrays. Here we have two inputs like array 1 and array 2, and the output we have received is Java Python, right? So because Java and Python both actually present in these two arrays. All right, so let me try to create a method here. I can give the name of a method here as find common elements. We just try to pass two parameters here, and both indicates array. All right, so you can see I have created two array as the parameters. Now we are trying to implement in a technical way. So what will be my steps of execution? I just try to write in comment. First we'll try to create a set. You can see I have to apply here collection framework, and I will try to create the object of HashSet. Then what will be the next step? I will traverse from all the elements, and after this we'll try to compare, and we'll try to set the elements, set the elements in set, or we can say add the elements in set. All right, now complexity we have already discussed, so let's try this part quickly. I can say set string set equals new hash, right? We are trying to import the package, and now we are trying to traverse, right? So we have two arrays. So simply we have to start from I, and then after nested for loop we have to create to add the j, right? As a variable, we'll try to declare integer I equals 0, I less than array 1 dot length. I give here I plus plus, and here we are going to add block of code, right? Then I can give here nested for loop integer j equals 0 less than array 2 dot length with j plus plus actually we should give, and here we'll try to add the element in the set. But before that we are comparing uh, array of I equals to array of j, that will be added the unique value in the set. So let's try to do this part. If array of I dot equals, as it is like we have given arrays actually, so dot we are unable to array 1 I have given obviously. So now we are trying to test dot. Now we are getting a method called equals and trying to compare with array 2. I can give here j, and now if it is equals, it will be add into the set. So I can say set dot add. Here I can give the string. So I can say array 1 of I, right? Simply it will be added, and now we are trying to this part we have to cut it from here, and I try to add. All right, now we are trying to check. Okay, after all this process I can say this out. Okay, and here we can say set dot to string. All right, so we have converted only the sat values, right, which has been added, and now we are trying to run and check. And before I run, I just need to call this method and pass the uh, array, or I have to create the array and initialize it. So let's try to create array here with the specific value which they have given in the problem statement. I can give here simple, I can say what actually they have given here, s1 equals value something. Now let me try to give string to array 2 actually, and now we are trying to initialize. So what are the values they have given? Java, Python, and C Sharp. And here we can pass the value string to Ruby, Python, and Java. All right, so two strings are actually common in both the arrays. Two values are common, elements are common like Python and Java. So now we are calling this method here. I can directly call because the method is defined with static, and here I can say s1 comma s2. Right, we are end up by using semicolon. Let's save this and run and check. And you can see here Java and Python has been displayed as a result as output in console. And you check the result, you can see Java and Python, right? Same result we have received in console. So I feel that you have got the correct solution for this problem, and I hope it will help you in day one for problem statement we have executed. For further problem and solutions, you may just try to subscribe my YouTube channel, because every day I'll try to add a new problem statement in Java, which has been asked in an interview. This YouTube channel is developed only for those people who want to prepare themselves for interview, and it is like they have the profile of automation test engineer. Only problem statement, only programming questions we'll try to sort out in this channel. So kindly subscribe and share with your friends, colleagues, and family. Thank you, and waiting for you should wait for the next video or day 2 activity. Definitely problem statement will be resolved in the session. Thank you. Have a great day.